Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to log in Gmail or sign in into your Gmail account. To log in or sign in into your Gmail account, you have to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is you could open up any of the Google services. I'm gonna use the Gmail application itself. And next thing I wanna do is click on the profile and click on add account. Once you tap on add account, click on Google and it's gonna take you to this sort of page. So sometimes it might also ask you to verify with your fingerprint or type in your information. Now enter in the email address that you wanna go ahead and register. Click on the next button. After you've actually entered the email address, you'll be prompted to type in your password. Once done, you'll be logged into your account. And that is the way you can log into your Gmail account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.